Here's a tutorial on how to download a custom new tab page from the Chroma web store. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to open the Chroma web store. We can do that by going apps and then we can go web store down here. Now obviously the web store is opened. What I can do is I can find a new tab page by searching new tab page at the top. I found one earlier, I've got it open here, it's called Infinite Dashboard, new tab like no other. I've looked at it, it looks good, last updated recently, so I think we shall just add to Chrome. So make sure to read this and check you're happy with all of it before pressing add extension. We will then download view in the background, as you can see down here. We'll just let that download and then it will add it to Chrome. So look, the extension has been added and it says thank you for installing our Chrome extension. So now when I create a new tab, it says change back to Google, this page was changed. I quite like it, so I'm going to keep it. And here you are. I now have a new tab page, so every time I open a new tab, I get the new tab page, which I can customize freely depending on the extension. So there you go, hope you found that tutorial useful. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.